Hello, guys.
Hi,
Hi.
I'm here. If you didn't know me, hey.
If you didn't know her from before, like she was gonna say, she was from the last video.
Oh yeah, I've been in multiple videos.
And he hurt me. Okay, I'm better now.
Okay, we're gonna do a button. The button.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, we're playing.
Oh, yeah.
Press the button with these two.
It's not press the button, it's find the button.
Oh yeah.
Duh.
Press the button too. I'm gonna press the button.
Don't press it just yet. Don't press it. Okay.
No, don't
Okay.
press it.
Okay. You guys ready?
No.
Okay, I'm gonna press it. Okay. Guys, stand in the middle. Stand in the middle. Okay, you both of you stand there. I'm gonna press it.
1, 2. I died.
You died?
I did that.
Wait, that makes you follow the world?
Yeah.
Oh wait. Okay, I'm gonna die. Okay. Okay. You gotta press that. You gotta die. You gotta die.
Oh, that's not.
Okay, and then you spawn in here, Taylor. Okay. Okay, we gotta find the button. Wait, hold on a second. Wait for him. Okay.
There.
Okay, find the button. I think I know. I'm wondering.
Wait, you guys.
Oh,
Everybody
yeah,
come here. Everybody come here. You guys, this is how actual people play. Okay, you guys, come here. We have to do a countdown.
What?
I already found the lever. I already found the lever.
What?
Fine, then we'll just do this round.
I already found the lever.
Here.
What's a lever? I don't know if it will do it.
What?
I'm just kidding. I found it.
I found the button, but I can't get to it.
The mining blocks is illegal.
You guys, this is fun. Woo! Oh, dang it.
Oh, you got up there? Okay, press it. Press it. Did it do anything?
Come on.
Oh, how'd you?
Oh, look inside. Look. Look inside the house.
Wait, there's a door over here. Wait, what's over here? Hey, open this up, guys.
Where are
Wait,
you?
wait for us. I want to be able to see what's in there.
Come on.
Oh, that was so easy that I could find the button though.
Wait,
find-
that was a lever, not a button.
Well,
Okay,
yeah.
find the button or lever or whatever it is.
It's a lever, not a lever. I think I found something. Not yet. Wait.
Did you find it?
I did not find it. Wubbles, get out! Wait.
No.
Are you mining blocks?
I found an igloo. Igloo.
Eglin.
Eggland? Are you an Eggland?
I
You guys, I found it!
No, you did.
Yes, I did!
Hold on a second, where are you?
Hold on.
Where is it?
Yay, I got it!
Wait, hold on a second, guys. Stay right there. Stay right there. Stay down here. Stay down here.
No, I'm gonna find it.
Oh, that's an actual button.
Yay! Uh-oh, I can't get through.
Wait, that's not the way through.
Oh, yeah. Here it is!
You coming, or you coming?
Hold on, press it again! Press the button!
Okay, come on.
Uh-oh, what did I do?
Stupid people.
That was me.
That's
Wait, wait for him. Wait, how do you get through?
Dude, that's nothing. Oh!
Is it just
I just found it! I just found it!
Where are you?
I know.
Wait, oh. I don't think that's it. That's
No,
not it!
Stupid way. Oh,
There's nothing in here.
found it. Wait, no.
Press the thing again. Press
Someone
the thing
pull the
again.
lever. Someone pull the lever. Go, Foxy Fox.
Go.
Foxy Fox.
Go in there. Go, 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 go.
Foxy Fox.
Go press the lever.
Or we'll kill you.
Press the lever.
Okay, I'm going.
Let's turn that thing. Press the
Oh,
lever.
I just spit on my iPad.
Turn off the inventory so
It isn't
no
on.
monsters. It's not on.
No,
It is on.
it is not. I'm beef
He
stewing.
just beef stewed, and if you guys don't know
Ouch.
Wait, what?
Oh, open
if
it
you
up
guys
again.
don't know what beef stew is, he just farted, but we call it.
Wait,
beef
go.
stew.
Press it again.
Okay.
Press it in.
Oh, oh, that's such a trick. Go,
Wait, what?
go. Press up.
You can't get through. Let's wait till daytime. Oh, whoa, what happened?
That's stupid.
Was that a raindrop? I really hope that wasn't just a raindrop, or else we're gonna have to go inside.
Who doesn't want
I'm
to
not
do
talking about Minecraft. found a hole.
I've already been in there.
Uh-oh. Wait. Oh, Genoa, that's so... Who just picked something up? Genoa, really?
What?
Stop.
No.
You can't break blocks.
Oh, that. Sorry.
Just shut up, Noah.
That was just hey guys. I did not cheat. I was just trying to trap them for life. Okay, now we gotta find.
Seriously, we look seriously everywhere.
Where is it? No, you know what? Screw it. I'm breaking blocks.
Screw it. Just screw. Screw. If it doesn't work, we'll just have to do it.
Mm. Watch out! Watch out! I'm breaking the blocks. I'm strong. Look at this. I'm strong.
Yay.
Oh, dang it.
Wait, you can... Wait, I'll read this.
Wait, hold on a sec. Oh, fine.
You can tell by the sudden change of atmosphere
It's a riddle.
that this is where it gets real
Tough.
We're not playing games anymore. Well, actually, we are.
Whoa,
Oh,
lag.
it's this kind of stone, so it's gonna be that kind of button.
What?
It's this kind of stone, so it's gonna be harder.
I'm lagging.
Secret. Woohoo!
I'm
Secret
lagging.
ball.
Wait, hold on a sec. I can't. I'm lagging. Can someone hit me?
I'm
Don't
coming.
kill me.
Bang, 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 bang.
Bang, 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 bang.
Guys, wait up. Guys. I'm lagging. My whole tablet is lagging.
I'm gonna
Guys.
break some blocks.
You want to
The
go
video. Oh wait, guys.
Did the video stop?
No.
I forgot that we were on YouTube.
I just got disconnected.
Yeah. So, cause my
Sorry,
tablet
guys.
lagged. Hold on a second.
Wait, is it still going?
Yes.
Oh, I didn't
Sorry,
know that.
guys. My tablet is not being nice to me, and
Why don't we go outside? It's cold.
inside.
Yeah.
Okay.
It's not cold.
It's ready. Oh. What if it's not ready? Are you still recording?
I don't know. My tablet. Look at this. It's being horrible.
Ow!
Let's go. My tablet is lagging. Okay. Can we come in?
You can, but tell the kids don't go in there. Careful when you come in, Rascals is tied in the kitchen.
My tablet's lagging.
She's tied in there, be careful.
My tablet's lagging. Guys,
I agree with you. I was just about to say that. Watch, this kid's going to keep getting better. And Chip Kelly against this offense. He's on there for a year.
I got that 27.
come on. Did it work?
I'm free on Black Forest Hand. There's a Subway 350.
Okay, so that video is going in the trash.
Yeah.
Tune in.
It was a really good video.
Oh, actually, no, it's still recording. Sorry, guys, about that. My tablet was not working.
Wait, did you guys hear me trip?
Probably.
That'd be
Guys,
hilarious.
I'm going to end the video here. I'm sorry.
See ya.
We'll make another video in
See you in the
couple
next
minutes.
vid.
Okay, see ya.
Fox is